In this vlog, we'll try to cover the most important topic in the React Native application development, that is Flexbox. If you ever tried designing the application and struggled with aligning or positioning elements in your app, then this particular tutorial will be very much helpful for you. And by the end of this tutorial, I'll be making Flex super easy for you. So stay tuned till the end and try to observe the examples how we make use of Flex in the React Native application. So if you have gone through our previous tutorial, here in the line number 4 we were using Flex to be 1, but we did not deep dive into that particular concept, and this tutorial will try to see what is the Flex here and why we provided it to be 1, and what if we provide 2, 3, what will be going to happen, and also justify content, align items. So totally we'll try to get the good grip on this particular Flex concept. Through the example here, we'll be considering the 3 colored boxes and try to move them with the help of this particular Flex in our application. So now let's deep down into the code and try to see the implementation of Flex. So this is the previous tutorial where we tried to address the style sheet and tried creating a separate style sheet file so that we can utilize the styles throughout the application. So if you have not gone through this particular tutorial, I'll be providing the link for this tutorial in the description section below, and I suggest you to watch it. So here, let us try to make the changes in the style sheet first and then move to the app.js file where we try to make the boxes display on our application. So the first thing what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create the background color for my box. So the first thing what I'm going to do is design the boxes here. So and also the container. I will be removing the existing two things like view and text here, and I'm going to design a container, and here we'll be utilizing Flex here, and Flex is 1, and the next thing is background color, and also the background color I'm going to provide the white color for now. And the next thing is I'm going to design the boxes, and also the box will be having the Flex to be 1. So Flex 1, and background color here I'm going to specify red here, and quickly I'm going to add 2 more boxes. So I have added total 3 boxes here, and red, blue and green color, and also properly make the box numbering here, and go to the app.js file, and here we'll try to remove these 2 text fields and try adding. And here you can see on the right hand side, you can observe as we edit the style sheet and save the things right, the view is getting updated. And here I'm going to add the boxes here, and again I'm going to use the view only and style. So let us try to specify the box styles which we have designed in the style sheet. So this is the box 1, and I'm going to close the view, and similarly I'm going to add the remaining 2 boxes as well. And here you can see I have added the 3 boxes, and finally I'm going to change the view to the container because we have declared here container instead of view, and the 3 boxes with the 3 different colors. And now let's try to run this code. I'm just saving, and here you can see we have got the 3 colors filled up in the entire screen here, and let's try to play with them now. So the box 1 is red color, box 2 blue and green as well. So here let's try to make this 2 and try to save it, and here you can see the size is now doubled, and this is a 1 1, and the middle one, the blue, is 2 now. Flex is 2. So here you can clearly see how the Flex play an important role on the screen. So in simple, Flex 1 means it will means the element expands to the available space. So all the 3 boxes are 1 1 1, right? So all the 3 share the same space. Once the Flex is made to be 2, right, then it doubled the space. So here 1 plus 2, and the third box is again 1. So total the screen is divided into 4 boxes, and blue color took 2 boxes, and green and red took 1 box. And the next thing is I just want to play with the Flex direction. So here Flex direction by default it is column only. Let's try to give column and try saving it. So here no change is there, and now let's try to make it row and save it. So here you can see now the Flex direction is changed to row from the default column. and the boxes here is aligned in the horizontal way. Initially they were vertical. And quickly try to add the justify content here. This particular justify content controls alignment along the main axis. Let's try to provide is flex start here. And also to see this particular example, right, you can't see anything like this because it's filled up the entire screen. So here for the boxes, right, I will be providing the height and width now. So quickly I'm going to provide the height and width to be 100, and now we'll get a good clarity now. And also I'll be removing this particular flex completely from these boxes and try saving them. And here you can see now the boxes are of same size, that is height 100 and width 100. And now let's try to play with this particular justify content. So here justify content is flex start, so you can see the boxes on the top left here, and if I make them quickly to the center, they are in center, and flex end, so they will be moving to the right hand side now. So like this we can play with the justify content, that is aligning items in the cross axis. So this is how you can move the boxes through the justify content, that is on main axis we are trying to move. And also you can make sure to provide some space here. So I'm providing space between, and here you can see now the boxes are being separated by the equal amount of space. And also here you can see now I'll be providing space around, so the space would be same on the all sides, like left and right to the box the space will be same. And in the center you can see the red box right side space and the blue box left side space is added up, and here you can see some more increase in the space. And similarly if you try to move this to the column, right, like the flex direction, you can find the same over here. You can just play around these particular things now. So space between again, and here you can see the space between, only between the boxes the space is now provided. And again the flex start here, flex end, and finally let's try to see center. And the next thing what I want to show here is align items and flex end. So here you can see the flex end, it went to the top right of the screen. If the same we do with justify content, right, what will it happen? So here you can see it went to the bottom left of the screen. So the main difference here you can find is justify content is working on the main axis, and the other one like align items is working on the cross axis. So if I provide with align items, right, it is moving to the top right. And try to understand this particular concept and try to design your screen so that the design will be looking same on all the devices irrespective of what the dimension of the screen is. So what I suggest you is try changing from align items to justify content, and also between flex end to flex start, center, space around, space between. Try to cover all these particular aspects and try to move these boxes onto the screen so that you will get a good grip on this particular concept. And I'll end this particular tutorial here. I hope you found this tutorial interesting on the React Native concept. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.